Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cambodian pho. We'll begin by building the foundational broth, which is the heart of any great pho. You'll need about 3 pounds of beef bones, 1 pound of oxtail, and 1 pound of flank steak. Charring aromatics like 2 large onions and a 3-inch piece of ginger adds incredible depth. Simmering for at least 6 hours, or even 8, ensures all those wonderful flavors meld perfectly. Remember to skim the surface, often for a beautifully clear broth. Next, let's talk about the essential aromatics and seasoning. Toasting whole spices such as 5-star anise pods, 3 green cardamom pods, and 5 cloves really brings out their fragrance. Place them in a spice bag or cheesecloth to easily remove them later. For seasoning, incorporate about 1/4 cup of rock sugar and 1/2 cup of good quality fish sauce. Taste and adjust as you go. The goal is a harmonious blend of sweet, salty, and umami flavors that truly defines Cambodian pho. Now, let's get our noodles and toppings ready for assembly. For the noodles, use fresh flat rice noodles, about 1/2 pound per serving, blanching them quickly in boiling water. Thinly slice about 8 ounces of raw beef, such as eye of round, which will cook perfectly in the hot broth. Essential fresh toppings include a generous handful of bean sprouts, a 1/4 cup of fresh basil, and a few sprigs of mint. Don't forget lime wedges and sliced chilies for that extra kick. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious Cambodian pho bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of blanched rice noodles at the bottom of a large bowl. Arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. Then, carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over everything. The heat will gently cook the beef to perfection. Garnish with your chosen fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and a squeeze of lime. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, flavorful Cambodian pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.